Here's a really fun beginner move to learn on the Lyra called the star. Get up into the hoop however you want. Here I'm just doing a circus mount. From seated, we're going to take one leg out, and whichever leg you're going to keep in the Lyra, use that hand to grab in between the span sets facing away from you with your thumb wrapped. You can stay holding on with your other hand as you take your leg out. Make sure you find a good comfortable spot on your thigh. You want it a little bit higher than the middle between your knee and your hip. From there, go ahead and lean out and arch that back, and then you can play with your leg positioning, moving between bent and straight. Again, the same arm and the same leg are going to stay on the Lyra. You can take your arm off as you take your leg out, and then really arch that back for a nice, pretty start position. Make sure you try both sides. The more that you arch, the prettier this position is going to be. Like I said, this is a really great beginner move that looks especially pretty with a little spin. So give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.